so windy out here. We are at Sol Imar, and this is my first time here. I love it. Okay, we're going to the reception to get the Wi-Fi password. Morning! There's a fruit stand for everybody. There's a buko for everyone. Okay. Ito ang... okay lang, pretty ka man eh. Okay, so this is the standard room. So wala to na napasama lang. Ah, okay. Alright. Ano to? This is a queen bed or double? Alright, double bed.
Yung ano po, yung like yung extra bed. Meron siya sa baba po. May pull out.
Ah, may pull out siya. Okay, there's a pull out bed for one. So
pwede rin po one, then pwede rin po two.
Ah, okay. So, for 4 people to. Okay.
Pero yung 2.8 po, ma'am, good for 2 lang siya.
Ah, alright. 2.8 good for 2. And then, pag 4 kayo, additional how much per person?
1,000 per head with extra person with breakfast.
Ah, so kasama na breakfast.
Yes, kasi yung good for 2, may breakfast na po.
Okay. So, magiging 4.8 siya. For 4 people, 4.8, including beds na, and then breakfast. Okay. Anong breakfast nyo?
If ano siya, ma'am, if like madami po yung occupy sa room, like more than 30, buffet po siya. Pero if like mga 10 person lang po, or 15.
So, kunyari, 4 lang. Ganon.
Plated po.
Plated na, ano yan,
sa
mga...
resto po. Yung may choices naman po, like continental, Filipino, or American.
I see. Ito, standard deluxe, 3,000. Good for 2. Ang ganda. Medyo Japanese style yung kain, no? Na makikita ba to from here? Ah, makikita pala siya. Ganito na lang, ate. Okay, there's your standard deluxe room. Nice. Pero ito, hindi na to pwedeng 4-4.
Pwede po.
Ah, pwede pa.
Same po, 1,000.
1,000. So, 3,000 siya. Ah, okay. So, ang 3,000 for 2 pa lang siya. So, kung 6 kayo, 4,000. Okay. So, 7,000 for 6 people. Pwede na, no? Mga konti lang, 1,000 plus lang per person. Alright, this one is the pagoda. Thank you. Ah, cute na siya. Okay, so there's a study table.
May daanan po dito, papuntang sa dipping pool.
Ah, okay. So, this is the dipping pool. Hala, hindi. Sige, silip na lang.
Doon po sa kalabas, ma'am, pwede.
Ah, doon. May daanan din. Sige, mamaya. Alright. Alright. Geisha, geisha.